DepEd's Digital Rise program focuses on the development of teachers in terms of uplifting their technological innovations. And this is the target of open educational resources. Now that we are in the Advanced OER program, there are two components which is included into this group. This is the use of an offline learning management system, which is basically Moodle. And the next one is the virtual reality and augmented reality in education, where we wanted to expose learners in a different set of environment that they are not used to. Offline LMS is now capable to deliver the needed things blend with the basic OER program. And now, teachers have created their own learning management system, thinking that they are just like programmers also, by simply following 4 rules: learning how to type, copy-pasting, deleting, and lastly, the most important thing is following correct directions. And with that, they have formed their own learning management system.
LMS is an offline platform na magagamit ng mga bata without using the internet, and they can access this using their gadgets alone. At first, akala ko mahirap, especially sa mga simple classroom teachers. But as the training goes by, unti-unti naming nakukuha yung mga activities with the help of our speakers and facilitators. And I think this will change the point of view of the teachers to digital teaching. And this will be the beginning of the digital rise in the Philippines. We are ready to teach the 21st century learners.
Ang inyong logo, sir, ang liit.
The second component is the use of virtual reality and augmented reality in education. With this kind of platform, we are immersing our learners and our teachers in a different set of environment that they are not used to. For example, if we want our learners to go to Antarctica, it is now possible by putting them in the virtual reality setup, wherein it could also run even if offline.
Mas malikot po sa
We can link between the word, the picture, and that of the hand sign language. Actually, ginagawa na rin namin yon kasi lang very traditional pa siya. So, with the use of OER that we learn sa OER na training namin, ma-apply ko siya digitally. Mas madali na lang siyang gawin.